So how do you make money with high ticket affiliate marketing in 2021 and beyond? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you a super cool strategy I use to earn $900 in a single day. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and we're going to jump right into today's content. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the results. So that way you can know that what I'm about to teach you actually works. And then after that, I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use to be able to generate that income. All right. So now you can see right here, September 15th, 2021, I had a $900 day, which is pretty cool. And then you can see this is actually what I made net after the merchant took their fees, $873.60. Now, as you can imagine, when you start to, sell higher ticket products, you're going to earn a whole lot more money than if you were promoting like some lower ticket product, which there's nothing wrong with the lower ticket product model. But if you sell a higher ticket product, you're going to earn way more money for the same amount of work. All right. So enough of that results. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how this strategy works. All right. So when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing, one of the most important things for you to do is to establish the market that you want to go in. So is it going to be health, wealth, or relationships, right? Now, those are the top three when it comes to making the most amount of money, but there are other niches out there, so don't feel like you have to stay within those three. All right, so now after you've established the market, the next thing you need to do is you need to choose a product, and not just any product, a product that's actually gonna help people get the result. Now, here's what this is how I feel when it comes to this. I feel like you need to purchase the product to really be able to give somebody the experience, right? Because just imagine, a person buys a product from you and then they have questions, so they come to you and then all of a sudden you look like boo-boo the fool because you don't know anything about the product, right? Go ahead and purchase the product. That's what I did with the actual product that I made the money from. Now, that isn't this product that you can see on the screen, but I'm about to walk you through the process that I went through when it comes to, just generating income, whether it's low ticket or high ticket. All right. Right here, the name of the product is Super Affiliate System. The first thing I want to do is I first want to see what assets do the vendor actually give me. So right here, you can see this is an affiliate page. So I want to go here and click on this link. All right, so we can see it says promote ClickBank's best high converting webinar offer. So what I want to do with this is I want to look at, okay, what assets do I have? So up here at the top, this says email promotion, which means they're going to give me email swipes. That's one asset. Then you can see right here, they're going to give me Facebook ads, different things that I can use to, get sales with this specific product. You can see right here, YouTube ads. They're also going to give me that asset, which is pretty cool. Free traffic methods. They're also going to give you free traffic methods that you can use, and then you can be able to generate sales with this product, right? So I'm looking at that and I'm like, okay, cool. I got my assets. And so now what I want to do is I want to look up the product's name. So we already know that the product's name is Super Affiliate System. So I'm going to go over to one of my softwares. Well, first we're going to go over to this one to establish how many people search for this every single month. So we can see Super Affiliate System Review gets 3,000 searches per month on average. So that's quite a bit, right? So that's telling me there's demand for it. So now what I want to do is I want to bring that. Let me go back and copy that real quick, and I'm going to put it in my software, and we're going to come over here, paste it. Boom. So there's the keyword. I then say, okay, I'm going to take a look at these grades and I'm going to say, okay, is this competitive for my channel, or is it, something that I could actually go with? Well, in this case, I understand that, my skill set when it comes to SEO. So I'm just going to be like, all right, I'm going to go for this anyway, because I'm trying to get in front of the right type of person. So now I'm going to hit choose for step 4. All right. So now when I go down, what I want to do is I first want to make sure that the keyword, the name of the product, is in my title. That's covered. So we already got it. So now I'm gonna make sure that it's in the description. It's now in the description. And then now I'm also gonna make sure that it's in the tags. So now it's in my tags. Now what I want to do is I want to get very, very specific to, the keyword and put in more relevant keywords so I can start showing up when people are typing in this specific term. So now we can see these are pretty relevant keywords, but typically what I would do is I would go find the best keywords and just cut out all the ones that that just don't even make sense and are not going to be relevant to what I'm looking for. So let's just imagine that I went and I found all of these keywords that you can see right here. And then I want to go in here and I want to create a description, right? After I create my description, you know, I create my little mini paragraph and make sure I got, you know, the tags included in that. I then want to come up here and create a title that's going to stand out from all of the competitors. So how do I do that? So now you can see right here, these are all the people that I would be competing with, right? We got this thumbnail, and all of these right here. So now I want to see what type of titles are they using. So this person used Super Affiliate System 3.0 review. I wasted $9.97. And then Super Affiliate System review and walkthrough. So this person is giving them, you know, a review and actually taking them through the product so they can kind of see what's going on. Now, of course, you could actually go and, you know, verify that's what they're doing, just so you can kind of get some ideas when it comes to you creating your own videos. All right. Now, this person used John Crestani Super Affiliate Scam Review. Me personally, I don't like to put scam in titles, right? Because I feel like that kind of deteriorates the value of the product. That's just me personally, right? So I wouldn't use scam review. And then Super Affiliate System 3.0 review, does this actually work? So looks like he's actually saying, okay, does this product actually work, right? He's taking a different angle. And then this one, Super Affiliate System review, John Crestani Super Affiliate System. So me personally, I would come over here and I would be like, you know, I would probably say best Super Affiliate System review. No one covers this, you know, no one covers this one thing, right? Or something along those lines, something that's gonna stand out from everybody else. And then once they see that type of title, then they see a thumbnail that really starts to stand out, right? And what I'll notice real quickly, right? This is pretty colorful. They have white, red, and you know, that one to me personally, I can see why they're ranking #1. That stands out more and it has negative, you know, negativity behind it, right? He just said he wasted $997, right? So at this point, I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna hit save and then I'm gonna go back up here and let's just imagine that I've got an intriguing title. I got my description filled out, and I got, like, you know, all the highly SEO optimized stuff that I would usually do. And then now I would say, okay, how can I create a video and structure it in a way that I can actually make money with it? So first I'm going to start off by letting them know that they're in the right place. So let's just say that I was doing a review for this video. I would say, so you're looking for the best super affiliate system review in 2021 and beyond, or the best super affiliate review or honest review or something along that lines. So that way they know, okay, I'm in the right place. He said the name of the product, or she said the name of the product. And then after I establish that, then I want to go straight into what they're actually watching this video for. They're looking for a review on that system. Then at some point in the video, you can either do it a little early in the video or you can do it at the end. But here's the thing about the call to action at the end. Not everybody's going to make it to the end of your video. And with that being said, I would say to give it a little bit early, give them the opportunity, and then you can also say it at the end as well. Now, what I've done for you is I put down below in the description a free training. Okay, this free training is going to go over how you can actually get your videos to show up at the top. Now, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Right now, if I type in how to make money answering questions, and we hit enter, we can see that my video is ranking up at the top, #1. And I just put this video out 2 weeks ago, and you can see that it's outranking all of the other people who have way more views and authority. I'm gonna be teaching you exactly how to do that in that free training. All right, so what you wanna do, click that first link down below in the description, go ahead and go through that training, and I'm telling you, you're definitely gonna get a ton of value from that. And let me know, you know, if you're actually gonna be implementing this, go ahead and comment down below, just say, hey, I'm definitely gonna check out that training. I feel like it can definitely be beneficial to even whatever it is that you're doing, all right? So with that being said, hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if it was helpful. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.